Hello everyone, welcome to TVSL Mind. See, today I will give you secrets about insurance without Guru Mushti. Tips to finding the right dental insurance company. With so many dental insurance plans to choose from, it can be a daunting task to determine which plan is best for your needs or the needs of your employees. And to note, these needs are extremely important, as the dental care should never be overlooked. Dental insurance company. Dental insurance. With so many dental insurance plans to choose from, it can be a daunting task to determine which plan is best for your needs or the needs of your employees. And to note, these needs are extremely important, as the dental care should never be overlooked. There are 5 tips that may help you discover which plan is right for you. 1. Consider online comparisons. While a trusted broker can provide you with several options to choose from, an online comparison of companies and dental insurance options can provide a means of ensuring the greatest flexibility and price. The available plan types are extremely varied, and an online comparison can allow you to see what a plan will and will not be able to do. 2. Price comparison. It may be easy to make a quick decision based on a simple query. However, if you are working with a broker, there may be other options they can present that may decrease the overall cost. Again, by using an online comparison, you may be able to view all options and all price ranges. This information can provide information that can help you select a plan that fits your budget. 3. Benefit comparison. There are several questions that you should consider when purchasing a dental insurance plan. Here are a few samples to consider. Will I be able to select my own dentist? Are there select dates and times that a dentist may restrict visits by individuals that are a part of a particular plan? Do I need insurance with copay? 4. Determine personal needs and objectives. No one likes change, but you must ask yourself if certain components in a dental insurance plan are really a need or a want. You should determine what your objective is in obtaining dental insurance. When you understand your motivation and needs, you'll be better able to select a plan. 5. Understanding the importance of coverage. Once you understand that a dental insurance plan removes the barrier to oral health and that improved oral health is linked to improved physical health, a dental insurance plan begins to make sense. Like major medical insurance, dental insurance provides a means of managing the rising cost of dental care. In certain cases, premiums for dental insurance is tax deductible.